Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Wowee Cleaner. You've probably seen it all over TV and social media claiming to be a super-powered all-purpose cleaner that blasts through any mess. But does it actually live up to the hype, or is it just another overpriced cleaning product? Let's break down the reality. So Wowee markets itself as an ultra-concentrated all-purpose cleaner and degreaser that can handle everything from baked-on stovetops to barbecue grills, baseboards, and even sneakers. They claim one cap full mixed with water creates a powerful cleaning solution that practically cleans for you. The secret ingredient is alpha olefin sulfonate, a surfactant that breaks down grease at a molecular level. But is it legitimate? Yes, Huawei is a real product available on Amazon and through their official website. It's not a scam. You'll actually receive the product if you order it. The company has a phone number, runs TV commercials, and is sold through legitimate retailers. So the question isn't whether it's fake, but whether it's worth the money. Here's the honest reality from independent testing. Huawei does an okay job as a general cleaning product, but it's not the miracle super powered cleaner they advertise. It handles light cleaning and quick wipe downs reasonably well, things like daily kitchen counters, fingerprints, and minor spills. However, when tested on tough challenges like deep kitchen grease, baked on stove messes, or stubborn bathroom stains, Huawei falls short. It's no better than typical store brand all purpose cleaners that cost significantly less. The 4x degreasing power claim doesn't match real world performance on heavy duty jobs. Customer reviews are mixed. Some users like it for quick everyday cleanup and say it smells pleasant without harsh fumes. Others complain that it's overhyped and doesn't work any better than products like Simple Green or Fabuloso, which cost a fraction of the price. Here's the biggest problem. Huawei costs significantly more at $29.99 compared to other products. For the price, you could buy multiple bottles of proven cleaners like Dawn Power Wash, Barkeeper's Friend, or Simple Green that have established track records for tough cleaning jobs. The ultra concentrated formula sounds good in theory, but in practice, you still need to use quite a bit for tough messes, so it doesn't last as long as advertised. The final verdict? Huawei is legitimate, but overhyped. To be fair, Huawei isn't bad for routine household maintenance, like grease, everyday messes, and general surface cleaning. If you like the scent and don't mind paying premium prices for average performance, it'll get the job done. It also doesn't have harsh chemical fumes, which some people prefer. Huawei is legitimate but overhyped. It does what basic all-purpose cleaners do. Nothing more, nothing less. If you already have it, use it for everyday cleaning. But if you're considering buying it, save your money and stick with proven, affordable brands that deliver similar or better results at a fraction of the cost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.